I had 7 seconds to disappear or become a seagull's lunch. So I faked my own death, right there, on the beach, mid-walk. I flipped on my back, claws out, blank stare, Oscar-worthy. But then they didn't leave. They gathered. One pulled out a camera, another gasped. One kid tried to save me with a water bottle. Then someone poked me with a stick. I panicked, twitched. Rookie move. Now they know I'm alive, and worse, they think I'm cute. I just wanted safety. Now I've got fans. Would you have played dead or pinched your way out? Comment below. I'm reading with both claws.